So you don't need to become a different person before you begin. One of the biggest misconceptions about confidence is that we need to transform ourselves first. That one day we will become the confident person who takes action. But often, the process works the other way around. The confident person is created through the actions they create. The next step does not need to be a big leap. It can be a conversation, an experiment, a new habit, a small decision that moves you slightly closer to the life you want to create. So every time you try something new, navigate uncertainty, learn from a mistake, or discover that you can handle more than you thought, you strengthen your trust in yourself. You do not need to eliminate every doubt before moving forward. What you need is to build a relationship with yourself where you know you can learn, adapt, and keep going. So perhaps the question is not, do I feel confident enough? Perhaps it is, A, what is one small action I can take today that will help me trust myself a little more? And just as an extra note, just to let you know that the client I mentioned above eventually found a new role in a similar sector, but a very different role from a previous one. From the outside, some people might have seen it as less than the perfect job she had before. But she later told me, I love my new job so much. I would not mind just retiring while still doing this. So she also realized that some elements of her perfect job were not actually things she wanted to carry forward. Sometimes creating something new also means allowing ourselves to question what we thought we wanted and what we choose to leave behind. See you in my next video.